Hi, my name is Preston Tong and I'm 17 years old. I study in Sunday College and I'm taking A-levels. I take mostly the science subjects, pure science, and basically why I wanted to join coding was because I find that coding would be an essential skill, especially in the future. And because I'm looking to taking up a course somewhat related to maybe engineering or technology when I go to university, and I think that having like a base in coding would be useful and would also help me in my tertiary studies. Other than that, I think what we do lessons are very fun and also very simple to follow. And actually, you can also go at your own pace to learn those skills. And I think it's something fun to do in your pastime as a hobby. And also, yeah, I would recommend anyone to join this code video class. Thank you.